nyina no de akɔhwɛ ne yonko broni but African phone kwia die Ghana ha phone kwia die se wo se Kofi ya die a inze se obeboa na pia na mana ne kase onim ye eye no korɛ boa no kyerɛ ne kwan pa on fa so nye ye wo moa no ene se ne yaso ni nan kuta na ye twene bafom on shase onyama ye hwɛ ana no allow me to talk about this ana no sa akode ba bonti bekasai say award bia ye man according to that award me nya research papa bia ye na makokasem bia fa ho ye see ye dey UND award according to the person explanation ono nkrofo a omo influence no nkrofo omo ye influence na brabo na ye man hu say eso no so share Ghana fo nimonyam omo so omo ni so te what I say and he gave them a honorable award. You see, award a honor nkrofo a shem won animonyam keke found say ya hunu found in your car na asako dia ba because nepa ne ya eyi brodria anase oye mpaboa no the most award kura award bia ya award wa se wani monyam asa ana asako dia ko ji award afo be complaining say scam award be na your friend scam obi aye ni program asihye or the only sika ye advert or the campaign or the designing golden dia niama we design no or designing and the show ni monyam keke wam okay me person make us one man sika because we need to just can be on chanya but he just glorify all show ni monyam boni be na waye obibini ya dia over support na manako suro after all that award you can make it become a crabeshe Vodafone the award by ye mwabuaje so obi a hye ni monyam obroni be ye dia ye papa bibini ya anya papa allow me to say some things allow me and then no abitika mu ko be program me ko additional TV akokoye program and abiti Adum FM sa entertainment program bi omotaye na nkomo a eti so na scam award guy no ye criminal guy no ye thief or ye den thief bibini ya de unsu ye bibini we ye black support the man even with ebiana ne o ye no wa fa kwa papa so anye ebiana ebia o mimi nim ho hwe wa wo kasa nso wo de wa agene na na kasa na wo didi na tempo lepo wa twi ne fombasa bibini na ya de empo so onye ne papa pra frɛ no woni ne nkasa o yefa kwan we so anka bebuo o yefa kwan ba ko iso anka bebuo eno de monye adapa ya na o yes scam na award na o ba chiche no yes scam award na dear award masa I have even seen some before obroni bia wa ba si factory okrom ha a contract keke do banya ya obeye obi obeko ye obehye adwuma yase oche bibifo nkwe egu adwuma mu so wonye adwuma man afei odi ba kwa ye manager adi ba kwa ye supervisor sorry na osei manager na ma obroni no ana we wia bag baako ana wanya adwuma ni ye ada no ye misi moto no mota no we yi bi afim ada no ye di we ni ba no wan kokobo jadi ye nipa no report every day report na only the obroni ne kai I am a foreigner. Whatever I am here to do, I am here to just carry and go. You are here with your brother. Even if I leave, you are still here with him. Why are you looking for his downfall instead of supporting him to do what he's doing better? If you think he's making mistake or he's not doing it well, what are you supposed to do? To jane mame. And nipa bi omo ye omo bi o ma complaining. Se si abikate ebiti TV na se ho and Dr. Power ni oka no o ka say ye and o ye say why are you not doing your own? To jane mame la e jane ka won a e jane hye won a e jano e ba won so a to jane mame to jane mame. Ada ye breye ye bribi emra se wo so ne mo boa no na woni ni nyina nkom anim na enye kra behwe wo sori a wo se mi ko Dubai holidays wo sori a wo se mi ko US wo sori a wo se mi pe you ena ko sha sori dem ye be bufu kra no ene wrade de kwa ba ni o mi pe visa ko US ni ye tutu concrete wo ho wo mo siesie kro na ka wo benye bia ka se wo kom Ghana yesi ye besi o man ya enka Ghana ye fesiri Dubai wo benye wa twenye na wa support wo yonko pipidi wo kro mo ha aba ya ka bo man ya juma ya enka Ghana ye fesiri Dubai emra wo kro mo ha aya hihye se ene ne me ba ya yeso forget about manyon for otu chance ene be di hiti ye nakasa me di hiti ye nakasa ena said ya wo kasa no hwe wa no siye ensem bi won ho a ensese wo de wa no ka e TV so ena masa ade na wo ya ne ya friend say ensemfu ena ensemfu bia so ye ensemfu wo pese me di ade kata so ena wo ya enyen ka ese da bi ende na chese ma kata so let me tell it to your face for you to know that ensemfu ye ensemfu. This is the fact of life. Program needing the fact of life. No cry abrabom no cry enti ye beka ye ka no cry no tojo ye fa de bia nkata so from Dr. Power Ghana Youth President ya beti nasi say ye be bu oman ye be so oman mu ye be siesie ye ma oban na ko nani ya bre say ye we are too dependent on foreign materials eniema abrofo ye eniema abrofo ena ye fo aso obibini ye de enye papa kantanka he mami ka se mi kire o kantanka wo krom ha asa na ye wo me o hia se ye Ghana niama. The first time I saw kantanka na oye elo pray am paying for as at that time e praise no eye Rollins na o praise the kanfo no but ye nso na se ye mboa no kufo by the same praises kantanka to me ye TV na wa boni same state na TV na so oboni se na TV na dum basani ma na waye nyina no ehedem ye ma ne kwan o ma ne permit ya ma ne kwan se ofa nkoto jaso na ye mini wo ye nya binto na ye hwe Kantanka TV debi basamso obroni de ya ma ne kwan ye we kra ne didi se ne Chicago na Chico TV High Sense TV DN TV Mama won kwai se o monto wo krom ha Kantanka ye TV you are not proud of your own when you na ye koka wo se mayanka tutujana mamela tutujano ejano tutujana mame asai ejano ehihim krofo bi asai ejano ehihim krofo bi na ye ti krom ha na asai ye koye ni na ye ti faako na oman na kafako na ejina faako na ebra empenifo abebre edi ahwe nyina na yekwa ejane shimwa ejano shimwa moni beda ho ejano shishimwa moni beda ho se obi ye bribi na nya wo ma ye ka kire ne se eniama na oye na nya munya ese mufuafu nkrofo so me se wo ye me ma me po na udi semfu a me ka che so udi semfu na che semfu ni di se wudi semfu no bi ka kire so wudi semfu a ni opa kire so ja semfu ni di ena waye ni ena wadidi matem minini watem me kire onyansa minini watem me kire onyansa. This is the fact of life. From Dr. Power Ghana Youth President but ina say ya na jadem sa number na that screen so no Ghana Youth on Fire WhatsApp number. Send wadi nchire WhatsApp sesi abekin kan ama. What I say? Se woni me nya dua to fire na mame. Woni me ya dua ka kire me. E na woni me nya enya dua na wantumi kire mu ya. Me fire o, me fire o. Me de me te ha, me fire. What I say? Enyema bi ye pese Ghana ko ne nimla. Ghana ne ye hwehwe se onko ne nimla. WhatsApp number near 0242254506 0242254506 0242254506. Over to me join me live or Facebook. What I say now, send you comment or na share video no mami. Share send you comment or na share video no mami or Facebook. Ghana Youth on Fire. Call Ghana Youth on Fire page. Or Facebook say na share me live. Ghana Youth on Fire. Or Facebook say na share me live. This is the fact of life. What you say? What you say? Maybe I can carry messages and send you message. Echo. More person we are ambassadors. Emma Ghana Youth on Fire. The agenda is we want to create jobs ourselves. We don't want to rely on our politicians anymore because they are tricking us too much. Oma dada yache. Oma dada yache. Debi omo ba ba to anansi se ma kire sa time de beba sa besi ye ho he. Ye ho he. O da se. We ye ko kan o se adentina kola kasa penini. And or your minister, and or your president, and I didn't say or your honorable one and more honorable. Mina mama we juma gada from person mutim wasi say sam krofo yi omo ye juma ye for omo pe juma na ye se ne wo di usi vi chinchin se o pe juma ye no sa so na omo so ba wo nchen ya wo bi se o se man juma nye enti ye ti omo juma ye na ye ba omo juma ya fa juma na ma o ne juma bia ye ye tia onka busu ji se busu bi na wu o ma pe ni ye tia ne ka Minister no ye tuaneka, MP no ye tuaneka, DC no ye tuaneka, omo nyina ye tuatua wonka. Enti ejuma no onye ni ya, mo ma ye kan ti omo anim. Na jai say, utite obi echi, ne ba ni nsemfu no because we support nti, oye wo anke, oye wo ofa, ana oni ni nenam, ye wadam fo binti, e ma ye nka na asem. Eja ne himwa, se eja ne himwa, se eja ne himwa. Money beda ho se jane shimwa money beda ho ejano se shimwa money beda ho ye mia ne se na mbe ye si e pese o man ni ko ni na ye ti ho na mo se yo man ye si e pese o man ko ni na mo se yo man no ne ebe bufu kura ne se wo e tanga se for da so okromu ha wo mo chi salary wo mo chi busu be ketua de bia na so ye gata mu nyina ye poto ne abufu ye mitan ne se wo timamuni kona ko bobu nkrofo ano na ka se yenko siesie ye gata mu wo kan se mo kwa ko siesie gata mu no na obi yi nanim afi baby mimi na me assemblyman na me hwe area ha so wan na ma kwa se mo be yi gata mu wata da semfu because you global mo ma yen kala adeni ye semfu aye semfu na semfu ye hi makuma emia. This is the fact of life. Ghana Youth on Fire. Ghana Youth on Fire. For phone, na call WhatsApp, na send you message. See, I'm making kind messages. Where say please help me reach you. I really enjoy your efforts, but I will like you to keep it up because they will come backing at you. They are backing already, oh Mr. Man. One for the account, they are backing already, and I'm not looking at their backing. Masa, me na mafa we juma. They be muma yen kan yen ti ase. Me na mafa we juma. Na me tua woka. Na wo sai me juma. Enti me nye din show de ko juma na na. They be mo ne akokɔ so o man nim. Ye wo factory so okrom ha. Ne nyina ka bush. Na ye di Ghana sika ko si dan. Ne dan na ka nwuram. Ye. Ya koka musi mayenka. Ya koka musi mayenka. Obi din semfu mu pese ye ka kire no. Dabi enti ni oye no ye frɛ na de papa na. I know they are backing already. Me so long as I'm dealing with the writing. Hey, when you tell you jana ka ho. Ye bro wondia po wondia. E jana ba hihye won. Wo ba ne ni wo yam ne abagu ho. Se wo fi se ye di ejuma ma wa ya ma on 2 minutes omotume crucify ye omotume kumu ekili ye. I say Rollins what in the party NDC afi ya pia na to nche on to be nyehwe on the party mu bio e so sakoti party for NDP na me amasi me juma me company na wo ba manage juma na wache juma na fi mi nsem na wo di to me and I mean am wo power when dem out power they are backing already my brother but we are not looking at that. You are managing our company and so you better do it well. I see Jonathan from West Hillmore nyame shira Jonathan say wo hwe we see high more fire ya mfa modimbra mi we see more fire eja dem sa eja ne de dem na wo so atutu bia ma no WhatsApp messages ne ba na eba na one person we are ambassador of this agenda Ghana Youth on Fire Ghana Youth person ye kreti ya yejuma you will take the form what I say over forms no o send me message say one person we are ambassador I'll send you the form. Now I register Nkrofo first part name now I register watch on the panidi regional or any regional ofi and then chrome debi regional or now any city or any phone number now watch simple when young Nkrofo bebrebe 100 and above you beba hon ma be abemiti obia na ejuma ye possible wo area dey be create ejuma mam. What I say this is the fact of life. Ghana Youth on Fire eja dem sa what's more fire? I'm watching you live from Kumasi. You are speaking for us, the youth, and we are actually picking something from your leadership. We love this, and you have kept too long from Machewo. You have kept too long, and now that you have come, Ghana must work. Truly, Ghana must work. What I say from Kumasi, Nyamisha, one for the account. One for the account. Where's more fire? Ghana Youth President, I admire your effort. You are doing excellent. Don't mind anybody. I am not minding anybody. Eja dem sa. For message in Ebra, obia de emre bi making kayamo. Eya fa odi kan ho, eya mo the message na fa odi kan ho. What I say? This is the fact of life. Na ada no NGO ku obi so ale so mo ko ye general training. Ana mo ko beach bi me pese me go hodi beach bi so mo kwa cleaning ho because we rubber plastic go on na na dosun bebre plastic nkwia e na mo sia se mo dress ho omo kita tipa kase ni bi nti omo sesa ngura na no mo de gum se de be omo sesa ngura ni nyina dia kwa ma hon ma ati omo ho na obi ababie woni hwan ya osimi na me hwe area house committee leader or say community leader say your community leader or say committee leader or say district leader mini ana wan na mamu to me say mo mesi ha wan na mamu kwan na me na me hwe ha so me kura mo me letter mo nko tro official letter efi kan ofunchi na wa abani abawo tuom la wapamwom jane shemwa mweni beda ho tutu jane mame jane shemwa weni beda ho jano se nyawa weni beda ho yaye di ache yaye di nitina mudi yakuma di agro mudi yakuma bocha skele. This time I want to tackle one or two things from the music industry, from the journalism for mwakamo no tuma mo hunu kura monka and we are afraid. You are afraid of what is the meaning of journalism? Journalism na say listen and say kona ko huna beka ka you do your job without fear or favor. Nepa ni nya geni ya kasi ne nimso onye ni ye na sa nipa no wo journalist no so tia de ka odidi wo sika ho ya bre ati ye mojani ati ye fifra ye juma no na mo besu aye si ye ntua tas ni bia mo fa ye juma papa bia na mo ti mo na bu disika no ejuma no mo nye ye koka wo si adenti na yaka me ko ji Dr. Power Nkrato me ba ye betutu janesa messages ne ba na eba me ba ye betutu janesa chairman me ko ji Dr. Power Nkrato me ba na ya to aso me ba sisi ya
mama jo babu she ye die aduaban if an aha no say and it na me we are me back Dr. Power Clinic. He say mo want to be my free Dr. Power Clinic. We are power.
Say honam mu anase honam eni yare na ehawa enye meka for Dr. Power Herbal Clinic amount osa enyare bi to say gonorrhea, hypertension, stroke, typhoid fever, malaria fever, diabetes, jaundice, low sperm count, asthma na semeka seme bobo yare ni nara so dia ene kire say ade beche amade asan asa Dr. Power wa abefo infidie papa or the sun yare when yinara or sign and so goita anase compo edro henia aye friend of chono so e won no so anu edro na Dr. Power de or the habai ma and or the sayare ebinom so ho obema we futuo a che se ondu sika kapre empo or sign so tenase ebena de biara de ye honhom hwehwemu na o eho akwankyere tutum rekabra Dr. Power asye na onto yare ase emau so hwe Dr. Power chira kwan dia our Shama New Town ni Amwi Park. The telephone number ni 020-8478-866. Me sense subium 020-8478-866. Dr. Power. Hey, power.
Memamo Aquaba, somewhat Chama Aquaba. We say, Dr. Power, a bitter truth is always better than a sweet lie. Allah bless you. Naira from Labadi. Naira Nyamishra. I love that. A bitter truth is sweeter than sweet lies. It's better to hear the bitter truth. You can't Nobody is bigger than the truth. Nobody is bigger than my country, Ghana. If you do not value my country, I value it. What do I say? If you do not value Ghana, I value my country, Ghana. Ghana deserves better than what you guys are doing. You cannot be creative yourself. A whole president cannot be creative. A whole ministers cannot be creative. A whole MP. From today, listen to me, Ghana Youth President. I am speaking and talking in behalf of all Ghanaians, especially the youth of Ghana. Listen to me. I'm using the language you should understand. That from today, you members of parliament, if you go and sit on the parliament to discuss any form of law that you want to pass, you should never pass any law except you consult us. Except you consult us, your employees. Your employers. For us to come in agreement with you that yes, this law is good, pass it. If we did not accept it, you should not pass such a law. Now, never go create any idea, never go pass in law so that it will favor you to do anything unnecessary. Yeah. I am talking to you parliamentarians. Mo before na ya vote mo se mo koti na na mo hihye mbramaye mo kasa wo ya no mo betiji ya adwene eno ne se mo koti na mo bobo mutirim na mo ye ne mo boni bia beku a kire ye. Assuming you consult as the people of Ghana who have elected you into that role to go and fix law for us. Assuming you consult us, you will have given us a very better, a good health center, a very good education center. We will not go to school and come out and sit in the house. Never fuye mi time practice say obi be ko technical school, obi be ko senior high school, and we technical tailor for ejuma, capital for ejuma, obi we say ejuma engineering, obi ye ni na school all right, obi fi on to me ejuma this osakwa apprenticeship. This osakwa apprenticeship because of law can carry me. Adisia education system can carry a mashishebuo. Yakoka muma yanka. Capital for more chroma. I am telling you, sir, your job is a university. There is no apprenticeship in this country any longer. I I declare Ghana youth president me say apprenticeship be any kromobio. Tailor for apprentice in ho, capital for apprentice in ho, fitter for apprentice in ho. You are a university on your own. What do I say? You are a university, a training college for that matter. Because you training the panel. Na say I didn't go year. You training the panel. Na say I didn't go year. Nipa na what training no, o training na so we 3 years now. Direct to job na wa shall see ye juma. Fe. Ye. Na so ye ti kromo ha. Na obi akọ school university na we pie na obeti na ha. Na mene no na pre kanzo. Me say emu ase na ha she kanzo. Ne na pre ho. Mobile ye papa munye na munye say World Health of Organization, world dear world. So you don't have anything inside your head to do for your people to be to benefit anything better. White man and over drawing yama dia shewunsa. White man and over ye drawing no dia shewunsa. Now I catch you say chirewon ABC, chirewon abede, chirewon way. Ndia white man and farmer on na che say nya papa. Now I catch no. What is your level? Not just say I empty. Not just say ya employ ni papa bi so medi yesu. MP for ni keka ho. Minister say dear. From today I am telling you as Ghana youth president that when you go to that parliament house and you want to approve any law or settle any law, whatever contract you want to approve in parliament, consult us, the citizens of Ghana, the youth of Ghana. If it should go by casting a vote, election on whatever law is it, we agree to that. It's better than you 100 and something people or 200 and something people in parliament to be deciding unnecessary things for us. After all, when you bring the subject, put it before the domain. Let us talk about it. Let us agree and disagree. Let us select a better one, so you can govern the country with. Because you realize you are not having anything to do for us in this country. You are not having anything in your mind. Whatever the white man tells you is what you depend on. You are not creative at all. You cannot even provide food for your own people. Go to a whole minister's town. Where a minister is coming from, go there and see them and look at the road. They don't even have one factory. A whole voter region, there is no one single company there. There is no factory there. Not even a single factory. A whole eastern region, there is no factory. Northern region, there is no factory. What the hell is going on? Bibia Accra, Bibia Kumasi, Bibia Accra. And when you build these things in Kumasi and Accra, you are not maintaining them. You leave them to get rot. Say. Now you see kana mudia shehon, na go waste, na obroni na makoji loan in channel, then you will come and hijack our properties. For phone number the two sumami, na minjiji Ghana foko. Call Facebook. Na share me live, Ghana Youth on Fire. Type Ghana Youth on Fire. Now log into the Facebook. May the mother book come on to messages in making kind pa. We see fire, God bless you. God bless you greatly. I believe that's what you want to read. Leaders, we are behind you. I'm James, taxi driver from Sakumono, now in Jericho. God bless you, James. God bless you. Say you are behind me. God bless you. More fire, Mr. President. I am watching you live from Kaswa. I dare your back. Don't watch anybody. I'm not watching anybody. I see my name is Sky Bob. Well, Sky Bob. Sky Bob Nyamishra. Sky Bob. Hey, say Sky Bob dey my back the other day. I go shy, sir. I would like to join your winning team. And this is Kingdom of. Okay, I'll send you the form. God bless you. I'll send you the form. I'll add it to the group. Why? God bless you. When you see more fire, I like your program. God bless you for that. Do you know that this Do you know that this same thing has happened as Atadeka Peaceland and taxi driver, they try to do road and they say they want to tell the DC before work. The DC said no. Atadeka kwa enyenyenyenyo. Nyete se taxi driver for go scan your contribution some be ye kwai. DC ya chairman DC is opening. Hey! Hey! Allow me to shout la. Niam because you kroma and say yetina sifa ye ni shela. Tutujane mame, tutujano, ejane sisi nkrofo bi. Tutujane mame ejano, ejane sisi nkrofo bi la. Ejano, sisi nkrofo bi. Ejane si wo mo ni beda ho. Ejane sisi wo mo a wani beda ho. Ejane go wonso a wani beda ho. Tutujane mame, tutujano. 30 driver ni o ye juma. Onya 1 CD, 2 CD, 3 CD. Omo tumi abuabuo sika no se ye de besiesie ye kwan se aban pesa o ye ti ya ye betumi aboa ye ho na so omo tutu sika ewie ye besiesie kwan ya DC se o makwan DC se o makwan DC se o makwan ejane ko wo mso la ejane ko wo mso ejano enwura tokuru ni mu ho yakoka o si mayenka more fire. In fact message in crime me fancy ho me da si why ma mention the din answer. I say my name is Ruben from Peaceland. Ruby Nyamishra Saudi information aba. Fireman, I am solidly behind you. Please, I am also throwing some fire here. Ekpe Jojo Roberts. Okay. Ekpe Kojo Robert from Ashama, New York. Nyamishra also. Okay. I'm loving it. If you want to be an ambassador of Ghana Youth on Fire in your environment, baby, I want me phone number netu suma me na me course. Baby, I want person we ambassador, who register Nkrofo area. Una wadani ambassador, let's say a babu area na, una be bobo Nkrofo no ma ya be shiamu. Ghana Youth on Fire, Ghana Youth President, Michinchi Sana, ya shese Juma Ben ye possible. We will create it ourselves. Minister me de beye. Minister me de beye. Forms no wo di wa usika be printi. Wo be register Nkrofo. Wo di wa usika be printi banners ni stickers. Wa wo di beye nia wo beye because we are growing Ghana together. We want to do it our own. Whether they agree or disagree, we will build our own country. I said a guy you be sorry, you be kasi communal leader Ghana for Ghana Youth President meeting money, you go siesie kro, you kwako ye kwan, you kwako ye bribi. Na obi onu so ye DCE, obi also onu ye MP, obi also onu ye assemblyman. Anyone o be see ye kwan, o be stop ye na ye hwe. O many ye yandia. We are the owners of the country. You are our workers. We employ you to work for us. We did not employ you to destroy the job. And say you no nya ni ye say you feel. E say ye pia on to nchen. Ne ye adie me bato mo fa phone number nto so mame bato mo support nyina no phone number na wo TV ne so wo Gmoney so wo MTN mobile money so obetumi asend mo 5 cedi 10 cedi bibia send bibi kakra fa support ye na ye ntumi nya djuma nko eni what I say phone number no 0244 onso betumi afra ba line so why 0244 065 0244 and 0244-838-238 0244-838-238 friend number no nso na bra show ne so eja dem sa oba tutuja na mame why oba tutuja na mame wo information bi wo area fatuja na wo mu se anytime meeting na ha say no Mr. President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo His Excellency Ohwe. Ever since we started this fire program, topic bia ye di besi abonti bia o mampanyin hwe so mo ye ho adwuma. Ana no suhum kwan no meka se ye mbie o makobie. Ana no farm o se de na they are now rushing to go and do some. We are not joking. We are tired of politicians. We are tired of politicers. What you say? Mama yenye ya adwene ye na ye mbo o man na o man ne ko nanim mo amwo fia mo tantan mo ho ya ho mo ni onua ye bibia o ba support na man ko nanim o twi ne bo fom o sense didi na gossip kokonsa wonja isa so ban no inse o be compreni abo obi no inse o be compreni ko na ko advice no bua no man ko suro mo fire me bacha over line so aka mo fire me use so ejedem na bo di na bo baby ofre fida kasa gum sa me bacha over so TV volume no man ko low kra mo fire ejedem tuje gum yanko kasa yanko Online no nyekle I would have loved to hear more from you. Online I slow cry jine ye kakra tujagum emi yapa opeso ka bibi fa o mampeni hu ka be pe ho no matie pa na so line ne nye fa foforo ma mi more fire more fire I aha ye nya hello aha more fire eja dem tuje gum yanko kasa yanko Dumu TV volume no tie mi o phone ne so Fafo from mami makatro se wo ba Dumu TV volume no na tie mi o phone ne so enye sa me tie news bi ma yi we fi so more fire aha ye nya hello aha Fafo from mami aha yenka hello uba akasi more fire na minji usu ejadem na tuja ne yenko ense argutu tuja no mamusawa na nkrofoni abre ya betutuja more fire la ne so ye magana nyina pese wakase bi phone ne freezy sa more fire ejadem tuja gum yenko okay
opinion the chama that what then or your program or your fine chama that you fight papa opinion there and chama that the municipal you go there mata what that to do papa got to go to come you can no time church mama na go to the papa the mata and this is what can go find what my papa after you the position was no after the work and it's very sad at the country.
Very sad.
You just have to come on greater after every year. What is the compare what I'm when you see a water here? Now, this tree was not at the hill. The country that I'm almost got whatever you put your
Jama opebiedi nyamisho wache woso fafo from mami jama opebiedi sa DC you know jama opese taxi driver for sika no mobuano no wo muti bi mani diana jama opebi le diana adenti na obesi kwan se ade wo ntumi nya ye no nkrofo na nkasa timamofo be ye ade ekwan ye de ya na ye namuso DC yin fasta kwan ne so adenti na obesi ye kwa se ma ye nye kwan more fire more fire line so ayema Ghana nyina pese wakasa more fire eja de tuje gum yanko kasa yanko
more fire the portion of the Ghana
okay
mother of God the church
kasa yanko
the portion of the the people of my head to the phone was kept to Ghana. Now the person will be perfect. Or one of the top of the man will be down. That the cast was over. One will get one of the and then to look up the Jamaica to walk out to get another credit. That will be happening for one. People want to stick those from the
o che se akashama new da kwan no o mu si dai fefefe wo ho metumi hu line na wo pa kire do so na so man ho e na ye kwan no e kwan ni nyina tutu ashama kwan nyina asese ashama lo ne kwan ni nyina asese e kwan ni nya titi apansa ashama enka akra ho ana ashama enka Ghana ho ana yeah Mose this year is a year of road e kwan no wa he ashama kwan nyina tutu ayana me bisa sembi nkuruma ye kwan ni da so wo hosa 60 years kwan titi ye ya anu mu NDC for the APP for o mu so mo ye kwan ya chapa 1 year na kwan na sei dey na go to o man mu ha more fire eja dem tu jagum yanko
eja dem actually let me show you my power here show say thing for you here to cross because you got to go to here
to jagum oh what we fiso ebe fo nya de kura ofrefi kofori aton no ejuma se say e okrom ha kofori afonkia betumi asesi o mo kwan ashama fo keke betumi asesi o mo de more fire
me ojo yalo tell me you my pa mo here
o sira wan so
me ojo ashama le ba no je ko ashama le ba no je ko ye pa mo cho ko yo ti bai le ye pre tete nu ko do ka kredi ta do ka kredi asin ingina ye to ka jer ko na jer ko ye ko kwa wa o te na jer ko ye pa mo cho mo ti ma ya wan de ye pre wa
na do ni road minister samutie wo se kwani na tete akwani na asese okrom akwai no ni nyina tete apansa more fire eja dem tu fire eja dem tu jagum yanko far from me utie mi o TV ni so amayi wo afiso do mu TV volume na frame na me no mo nkomo tie mi wo phone ni so more fire
yeah more fire
eja dem tu jagum yanko
yeah nyame tira mo pa ni adwuma pa o ye
nyame nshira
nyame ni adwuma pa o ye pa na de nyame tira ke ye kwa ye na me ata mai kwa ye pa so ko Jericho route wanda ke kwa pa mu apa
ashama ko ni aprepa
abla mo ti ye sika so ye mu ye ti ni sika ye ke ye kwa
for
to mo ti ye sika so ye two diamond ye two box tag ye two into ke ye kwa ye ben go na mo ya bro
tutu jade ma shaman for na shaman for kuma ye won ya tutu jade ma shaman for ashama DC ashama hwan minister bi ota kraso ashama wan na ye in charge onye na duma tutu jade ma wo mame tutu jade ma na shaman for kuma ye won ya more fire eja dem tu jagum yanko
no papa na wo ye
Yamisha
o ya won tu mo kwa
amen
ni na mo bi ko me ha ba ko na politician NDC amo boy but akwa elect years that 3 months after 2 months na ba ko ya ko no ona wi ni o tell ba ko pa ona do the same thing after trying to elect no to ye onya wi ni ta no ya luta no kwa
ni ma fo su kasa tutu jade ni ma fo ni ma penfo ni ma mama obu penfo amuti ho etuma wo ho amu ni etuma ana crofoni ti ho bre enya mu fali ese mu akra na ni ma wakra akra capital city of Ghana akra ni ma nyina tete apansa ye koka mo si ma ye nka na mo ye mpanyifo ye peni ya de anya wo pese ye ka kire wo ye kasa mo si ya no ye ya si ni abronya de ma no na ye ya si ni esedun kesi ade ma no na ye ya si ni politics for de more fire eja dem tuje gum yanko
politicians in the market do makira and you won't get from back as well to good to traffic. She come with you to me every year and a power of traffic and remember traffic.
To Janaka, Yakuma, ye better ye trouble say you to the Yabre. Yakuma Hayen, line is why you Magana Nina Pesa Wakasebi. Gana Nina, fully in a frizzy. More fire. More fire. More fire. Line that's why you ma Gana Nina Pesa Wakasa, fully in a frizzy. MCR for bread, say on the course in Impo. Line is why you ma. Mrs. calls our own. And Simba see what TV sweet. Mammy for course didn't see her. And Mrs. calls our own. Okay, what mammy for me last one. Last caller. Why? We are my last caller. More fire. I chat him to Janagum Yanko.
Oh, Yamin, why Dina? Nani have said Ghana for us. Time we ask for almost a bourgeois. No more dying. Only asking the agro. I was to Africuma. Traffic has been on my car at Bono. And the former time no can say. After now, Bianya washing. It's Africuma. Echo Oduma. Do Sekina. A whole hospital walk. Now of painful. A time there a quite easy. Or Pawa one and another. The motion among Kajima, the wife in Anamitra.
Mo mo pese mu siesie mu mante mu kwan ampelifo bi sisi mu kwan mo pese mu siesie gata mu yesi ma honye mo pese mu ye lore kwa yesi ma honye yimo niam bia mo pese mu ye wo mu mante mu a nkrofo bi sisi mu kwan mo frɛ me MCR number ne ye wa mo nyi fisu ma me mo frɛ Dr. Power Ghana Youth President mi ababa bedi monim ye be siesie ho no. Ghana is for us, it's not for DC. Ghana is for us, it's not for MC. Ghana is for us, it's not for any politicians. Their name is not politicians. You throw on politicians, staticers, politifers, polycronfo, polydadafo, polycontompo, polyshehanfo, polyejumama brofo, politio brofo numasem, polykumunia mabroni. Against a full cost to say, we are Koka Yesima Yanka. Where you Koka Yesima Yanka. This is Ghana youth on fire. The fact of life, Yatinaha Yakano Kureno. Now, yes, we are no longer going to look at you. We are building our own nation. We are growing our own country. What I say, we are growing Ghana. We are promoting Ghana. Ghana is going to be excellent. Yabremo. Mame kochi Dr. Power and Kratwo. Mekoba. Yabetu aso. Meba sisia.
Mama jo, babu she ya dia duaban. Ifa na haha no shaya de. Aniti na me we yare me back. Dr. Power Clinic. He say mo want to my free. Dr. Power Clinic. We are power.
Say honam mu anase honam eni yare na ehawa enye mekam for Dr. Power Herbal Clinic amount osa enyare bi to say gonorrhea, hypertension, stroke, typhoid fever, malaria fever, diabetes, jaundice, low sperm count, asthma, na semeka seme bobo yare ni nara sodia ene kire se ade beche amade asan asa. Dr. Power wa abefo infidie papa ɔde sa ne yarewa nyinara ɔsan enso goita anase kompo edro henia a yɛfrɛ no chono nso ɛwɔ no nso ano edro na Dr. Power de ɔde haban ma na ɔde sa yare ebinom nso hɔ ɔbɛma we futuo a kyerɛ sɛ ɔndo sika kapre empo ɔsan so tenase ebena de biara de yɛ honhom mu hwehwɛmu na ɔma ɛho akwankyerɛ tutumrika bra Dr. Power asoyɛ na ɔnto yare ase ɛma so ɔhwɛ Dr. Power kyira kwan de a ɔwɔ Ashama New Town ni Amui Park. The telephone number ni 020-8478-866. Me sense subium 020-8478-866. Dr. Power. Power.
Mabajo, Babu said, yeah, dear, you are bound. If I have no shy idea, and it didn't make we are back, Doctor.
Me mama Aquaba. Makuma Yabi Yantiana, me person Mekasa Bibri. Ghana Youth on Fire programming, we are not affiliated to any political party. So we are GUM. We are GUM. And now we are NDC. And now we are CPP. And now we are NPP. And now we are DNDM political party. We are not affiliated to any political party. This is Ghana Youth on Mainura, the owners of the country are Ghanaian youths. We are the future leaders of our country and will not wait for you to collapse the nation before you give it to us. What I say, we are starting the job now. We are growing our nation now. Yakasa yesi yejuma and yesi yema yebepam yatade aye yampabo aye nyama yepe China phone yema biu. This is the fact of life. Ghana Youth on Fire. Never chicha credit. Na credit a mechicha no me patroti ni ye. Me mbo credit kura mechedi. Na enkola bi san wotro sini mpemfo de. Credit ne ya chicha ese obi anso nya bi. Embrewafo complain de bia say ye check credit na ono ntumi obebo awie na nkola na afa. Enti me mbo credit ni di eno ane se mabo number no. Onso fa na etomu mawa na why lucky. What I say? Me board number no say Airtel na we use you, say MTN na we use you, say Voda na we use you. Me nya board number na pe na so. Enti mo pese mo ye ambassador Emma Ghana Youth on Fire. E wo mante mo baby a wo no. Fa number no was screen so 024-2254-506. 024-2254-506. Wa wo pese wo ye advert e wo program yi so. Ana say wo pese wo support here. Support na hu hia pa wa wo hwe me sisi afa wo phone. Na send sika kakra 10 CD 5 CD 20 CD 2 number na wo TV screen so say MTN mobile money so ana Ghana Commercial Bank G money so the same number 0242254-506 fa na so chain bibi kakra yen fa ntua station ka na yen tumi ngi fa program imbro ambre bia me bo credit why nyansafo ne doso nti yembo network eno ane se ne abobo. What I say? And I say abobo. Okay, first credit. 7597-8431-068958. Me boss ubium. 7597-8431-068958. And your first credit. Manya boy wie no de send keke fa hash ne to so na send main board network no send e be ya wo enti some nim say na mo load credit *134 na wa bo number na ma bo na wo de hash ato aso na wa send network no de me kan kire wo enti wo de send keke wo fa wa fa what I say. Second credit 426-12-1882. Me boss you biom. 42 me see MCA manager or producer check you be a phone, na sisi you be a phone. one more studio, nobody should load the credit. 42621087121882. Next credit no. Me say another credit. 31251339302416. Another credit no me boss be 31251339302416. Another credit. Oh boy, mo go so body here. We are 043601834139 last number there. Some mo send there. And no last number there 7. Some mo send. Oh yeah there. My fire. Mesela we one won kwala no 04360183413917. Another credit. Maybe mo see her na my sorry so Sunday 3 o'clock Ghana Youth on Fire, the Fight of Life. You will show ne so Facebook Ghana Youth on Fire. Type our Facebook program ayaye. O pese o repeat video no na share video ma. And call YouTube na kwa type Ghana Youth on Fire. Na obehu videos na share playback na ati ni opese wo ti ase no ati ase kama na ha ye nidi nipa atom nyame nhira mo se wagigwa ahwe Dr. Power Herbal Clinic ene soma sinema medi jumadi bro me kwa kwaji Dr. Power nkrato na me ko na ma mabiom a Sunday 3 p.m. kachiro bi ase tamaso Ghana Youth President Ghana Youth on Fire jatano obeka ne ewu
mabajo babu she ye die duaban ifa na ha no shayade aniti na me we yare ame ba Dr. Power Clinic she mo watobi my free Dr. Power Clinic we are power.
Say honam mu anase honam eni yare na ehawa enye mekam for Dr. Power Herbal Clinic amount osa enyare bi to say gonorrhea, hypertension, stroke, typhoid fever, malaria fever, diabetes, jaundice, low sperm count, asthma, na semeka seme bobo yare ni nara sodia ene trese ade beche amade asan asa. Dr. Power wa abefo infidie papa or the sun yare nyinara or sign enso goita anase kompo edro henia aye friend ochono so e wono so anu edro na Dr. Power de or the habai ma and or the sayare ebinom so ho obema we futuo a che se ondo sika kapre empo or sign so tenase ebena de biara de ye honhom hwehwemu na o eho akwankyere tutum rekabra Dr. Power asye na onto yare ase emau so hwe Dr. Power chira kwan dia our Shama New Town ni Anwi Park. The telephone number ni 020-8478-866. Me sense subium 020-8478-866. Dr. Power. Power.
Ashaiman TV, Yedienye.
Was had a couture that to be when I'm dead and gone. That's the